Welcome everyone to RFC India. All the work that's gone in, all the struggles, all the stress, all the unknowns, seeing you and the effort you put in your cars, that's the one redeeming point.
All your teams, teammates, and drivers, co-drivers, get ready for some exciting days.
This is the first time this international event has been in India, Force. First time only, and they took a big step.
We see this as a big opportunity for India at large, not just for us as an organization.
The support that has been given is unreal, so many thanks guys. This event wouldn't have happened without Cougar Motorsport. They had the belief that RFC India was a possibility.
This hardcore extreme motorsport event, among the top 10 toughest motorsport events in the world, is a totally different cup of tea for Cougar as well.
Let's go and have fun. Horse Gurkha RFC, come on guys, let's do it.
We will be running 6 special stages simultaneously every day.
I did not know what to expect of the vehicles here in India, and after seeing the vehicles today, there's no words for it. Absolutely fantastic.
Just it is going to get tougher as the day goes. One of the longest convoys that probably Goa has ever seen. We're looking at 80 plus vehicles moving together, and we'll go down south to the venue of the Predator camp.
The stages yesterday were a lot different from what you'd expect in the jungle of the Rainforest Challenge at Malaysia. What we've got set up here now, we're using natural terrain, there's nothing man-made. Talk to each other, have fun. You've got 6 more stages, make the most of it.
It's all about adaptation. Every day, every night when they're fixing their cars, fixing what they've broken, it's all about adapting to the, what the resources are.
106. My experience with RFC has been outstanding, and this is something clearly a niche above any other event I have ever been to. It actually makes men out of boys.
We were really happy to know that RFC is coming to India. It's like taking our off-roading to a different level in India.
These stages are going day by day more technical and more tougher. So I have to roll down, fall down, run down, anything I have to do to get fast to my vehicle and start myself properly.
The exposure to global standards, etc. has now just started with RFC happening in India.
As you can see that slope, the Gurkha did that at one go. No problems. I'm loving driving the car.
The Team Gerari cars, they're quite innovative. The main thing is build quality. they're able to endure and run, and they're still running.
I'm just saying they've had a lot of support. Make the most of it, guys. This will work. I want to see you back next year. Porsche Gurkha RFC India in the Twilight Zone is one team. You must all work together to get out of there.
Teamwork is most important in the TZ.
If we go in together, we'll come out together.
If you haven't done the RFC, I don't think you've done anything.
We would really be delighted if the response next year is even better, and our competitors who are here with us this year come back better prepared from what they've seen. That's how the whole level of off-roading in India will grow.